Quick question for you. Are you also making this common mistake that leads to more anxiety when focusing on your breath during a panic attack? The mistake that so many of us make is that we don't practice the breathing technique beforehand. This is crucial for two reasons. First, when anxiety eventually creeps in, we're unsure of what technique to use or how to do it properly. As a result, we end up doing it wrong, making us even more anxious. Secondly, and most importantly, using the right breathing technique can help tackle the root cause of panic attacks. It does this by helping to regulate an oversensitive breathing center in your brain, because panic attacks often start from a false feeling of being out of breath. This leads to rapid and shallow breathing, causing dizziness and actually reduces your oxygenation. But specific breathing techniques can help train your body to tolerate the feeling of being out of breath. This is crucial for managing and preventing panic attacks. If you need help getting started with breathwork for anxiety and panic, check out this little breathing device called Oxa. It acts as your personal breathwork coach.